In today's video we will see how to fix the DirecTV stream remote flashing blue. Easy troubleshooting steps and pairing guide. Fix one, replace or reset the batteries. So remove both batteries from the remote. Wait about 30 seconds before inserting them again. Then install a fresh set of alkaline batteries. Make sure the positive and negative ends are aligned correctly. And press any button to check whether the blue flashing stops. Fix 2. Repair the DirecTV stream remote. Point the remote towards the DirecTV stream. Press and hold the rewind and fast forward button together. And keep holding until the blue lights begin flashing and the pairing messages appear on the TV screen. Wait for pairing process to complete and test the remote. Fix 3. Unpair and repair the remote again. So press and hold the dash and apps the diamond button together until the blue LED blinks twice. Then restart the DirecTV stream device using the red reset button on the side or by unplugging the power cord. After the device restart, press and hold rewind and fast forward together to pair the remote again. Fix 4. Reset the remote. So press and hold the home and exit button together until the LED changes. Enter 981 on the remote and wait for the blue light to flash multiple times, indicate the reset is complete, and pair the remote again with the streaming devices. Fix 5. Restart the DirecTV device. So unplug the DirecTV stream box from the power and wait 30 seconds. Then reconnect the power cable and allow the device to fully boot up. And try pairing the remote once the home screen appears. Fix 6. Check for Bluetooth interference. So move the remote closer to the DirecTV stream device and remove nearby Bluetooth devices temporarily, such as headphones, speaker or game controller. Make sure there is no large metal object blocking the signal. And test whether the blue flashing stops after reconnection. The Fix 7. Disable repeated pairing request. Once settings on your DirecTV stream device. So once you open, you can go to the set system. Now click on remote and devices and then click on program your remote. Turn off ask to pair with the new TV if it's enabled. This settings has helped some users to stop recurring remote unpairing issues. Fix 8. Contact DirecTV support. If the remote continues flashing blue light after resetting and repairing the remote, Bluetooth hardware may be fault. So test with another DirecTV stream remote if available. And contact the DirecTV support for a replacement remote or additional troubleshooting assistant. Goodbye.